come make my hair today with me. I want to take you guys. So I wash my hair and I put it in this way, as you can see, this way. So I'm going to make it. I actually don't know the style I'm going to make, but I'm going to make my natural hair and put this afro kink here. I don't know, you guys, it smells so good. I wash it when I use it, so I'm going to add it in the edges, not like something serious, but this is how my hair look like. It's clean already. I washed it yesterday, so I don't actually know the style, but let's see what I'm going to make, what I'm going to achieve. So you guys, I'm done. Like, the back was so hard for me to make, I can't lie. So that's all, guys. I think this is the end of the video. I love my hair. I'm going to make the edges, then after that, that is it. I'm going to close it. So I take like 2 hours and a half because I start around 11 and now it's 12, almost 1 o'clock. So I'm so excited. morning. How are you guys doing? So it's morning, so let's come and make breakfast for myself. I'm going to treat myself. I'm going to make some pancakes and tea. So you guys like my hair. I love it so much. The video is coming how I make it. So yeah, let's treat myself. Let's go. Let me treat you guys.